Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today I will show you how to back up phone contacts to Google account. Let's go. Back up your contacts is important. It helps you keep all your important phone numbers safe. If you lose your phone or get a new one, you can easily recover your contacts from your Google account. First of all, open up the Contacts app on your phone. Then tap on Organize at the bottom right of the screen. Now, scroll down. Then tap on Export Contacts. Once you tap on it, you will see a pop-up menu. Select where you want to export these contacts. Check on your Gmail account, or you can also add another Google account if you want. Now tap on Save. Mine are already saved to Google account. Once you have selected the contact's VCF file, tap on Import. Your phone will begin importing the contacts from that file. When the import is complete, all of your contacts will be safely backed up in your Google account. Now, if you ever get a new phone or need to restore your contacts, they will be right there, waiting for you. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.